Hey all, salvete. Ben here from LatinTutorial. I want to let you know a little bit about what I have planned for the 2020-2021 school year, and I also want to remind you of what I already have out there. Consider this the state of the channel address. It's August of 2020, and I've already started releasing videos, and that's a good thing. This channel, LatinTutorial, on YouTube has, depending on when you watch this video, over 225 videos available for viewing. That's almost 30 hours of content, and I'll be adding quite a bit this year. I cover mostly grammatical topics in Latin, but I also touch upon interesting facts about Latin and Roman society. My goal is to provide videos that students and teachers can use to either complement or supplement their education. So students can have a different explanation of a particular topic, and so teachers can have a resource library or even flip their classroom by assigning some of these videos to do for homework. This year, with a lot of learning happening online and through digital modes, I hope my videos have been put to good use. Nothing can replace in-person teaching, but I hope my videos and other tools can help in some way. So if you're a student or a teacher of Latin, or just someone interested in learning more about the language and culture of the Romans, please subscribe to this channel. And if you don't know, I'm currently a little over halfway in completing my series of the 91 most important rules of Latin grammar. These are great videos for the intermediate or advanced Latin student to use as review, or to get a first introduction to some of the more technical details of Latin. I myself am assigning 2 videos a week for my advanced students to watch, with questions to consolidate their learning. And since these videos are short and only on one narrow topic, this has worked well to both review key concepts and introduce them to minor but still important details that we didn't cover during the general introduction of the Latin language in their first 2 years of my Latin program. At the beginning of this school year, I'll wrap up my review of the cases in Latin with the ablative and locative before going on to discuss verbs. Other than these rules videos, I'm hoping to fill in the holes in my current library. So in the next few months, you can expect to see regular tutorials on concepts like adverbs, comparative and superlative adjectives, gerunds and gerundives, and deponent verbs, among others. And I will be sprinkling in other more fun and interesting videos too, including some more minute-long minutiae. Oh, and I'll be experimenting with a new series of tutorials in Latin, explaining recently covered grammatical topics in the target language. So in short, stay tuned for what's to come. I also have 2 additional tools that thousands of people use. The first is a site dedicated to Virgil's Aeneid over at Aeneid.co. And there you can find hours of videos explaining the language and themes of, well, what I would argue is the greatest work of Latin literature. There are also vocabulary tools, commentaries, and other things to help you organize your reading of the Aeneid. In creating this site and seeing how thousands of others use it has taught me well on how to approach literature digitally. Stay tuned for some, I hope, interesting developments on this front. And in addition to Aeneid.co, over at Hexameter.co, I have a tool that helps users practice their ability to scan Latin poetry. Dactylic hexameter is the meter that epic poems are written in, and learning how to figure out the combination of long and short syllables can be tough. Hexameter.co works in a way that's friendly to all users, giving you easy lines if you're a beginner and tough lines if you're an expert. I also have something called Rapid Scan, which focuses on scanning lines quickly and naturally. If you're reading or are just interested in ancient poetry, please be sure to check that out. And this is a good time to remind you that I've got all of my videos searchable over at LatinTutorial.com. My goal is to make learning Latin and classics through digital tools much easier, whether it's with video or interactive web apps. Subscribe to me on YouTube so you can stay informed and learn all about the new stuff that I have.